Keep punching. See, it doesn't matter. Just keep punching. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You have to know how to be able to just get into your locks at random without any preconceived idea of what's going on. Man, from the moment that you walk up on me, a game of chess starts. I start looking at how you built, how your neck built, if it's thick, if you're fat, if you got clothes on. I need to see how I need to be able to attack you. So when I come to bridge with you, I'm coming with some tricks for your ass. I'm coming with the low hand, the ball and chain. To use the low hand ball and chain, you gotta have this relaxation to pop that thing out. You gotta know how to use your hammer, the strikes, or any little punch. You gotta be able to attack everything from under, over, be able to grab. Attack, bap, 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 bap. Strike. Yes. Into the softener to see when I use them. Got to penetrate, yes. So within your deflections, you open them up also. So you got to control them. So this is open them up to get your strikes back into control. So you strike them, control them. See here, look, I find my strike, but I'm back in to control. That way I don't let you have a chance to do nothing. I'm holding, hitting, constantly back into control, soften you up so I can get the locks. Once again, today we are talking about joint locks, Chen Na, out of Wing Chun. So I got a couple of joint locks that I want to show you today. There's tons of joint locks, but it's always best to find simple joint locks to use that got different variations. The first joint lock that I want to show you is in Tai Chi called pushing the boat down the stream. So that can start from a grab. So when he grab, you have to bring the hand up like this. So from here, that opens me up to use these fingers to dig in here, turn, bring him down in a spiral as I'm pulling and leading him. Quickly into the lock. So the quickest he grab, boom. So he can be taken down, or from here, the second variation of this, I can take him here and walk him out. Third variation that I use when I have him here, I take my hand and I press him down. And I can hold him here, and then I can modulate by what I feel and keep him there. You know, if I want to change, go into a finger lock, change in the finger locks. Another simpler way that I use it, I've mentioned this before in a previous video, but since we're on the subject, a quick way to get into that from an offensive standpoint is to just walk over, grab, right into back into that same situation that started from the Chen Na lock where he grabbed. So this very lock can be a variation of it and turn offensive. So this twisting here allows me to slip my fingers in here, grab the meat of his hand, twist, and this is what I get, which makes it easy to just take him down. So real quick, grab, turn my hand. Yes, the other hand comes under.
Oh,
yes.
under here?
Yep. Turn doorknob to get this reaction.
And then the head.
That.
Okay.
You gotta get the first reaction. Turn that to make me, yes, and
Okay.
right. So that's how that starts. So this starts the first half of the lock already. So it has to be very quick. So you gotta do it quick enough where I can't get away from it. See, if you monkeying around, see? Right. Now watch me do it. That it has to be that forceful. You gotta treat people like you gotta treat grown people like they're children. That's the mentality you gotta have to snatch people up into these locks. Is you can't do it nicely. Another lock I want to show you is called roast Peking duck. And there's a few different variations to do this lock. So from one, grab. So this is the lock. Let me turn around. So this hand is jammed in here and the fulcrum is on my forearm. This has to be turned inward to prevent a person from having the strength to do this. So when you turn that hand outward, it takes that strength away. So from here, this has to be turned out. So it has to be, and once you cinch it in, you have them. Also from here, you can press on I don't even want to tell them that. Because you can kill somebody with that, you know. So then to learn that from a punch, so you punch, look, boom. He run. You have to turn this, stretch it out,
Okay.
and you have them locked in. So this lock can lead to another lock. So off the punch, you run the elbow back. If you can't stretch him out, you're already in another lock here. So have the here, this, so you have two driving, pushing to pushing here and pushing down there. So I'm essentially driving you down to the ground. So that can come from here like this, boom, right into a lock. Or I can do him this way. I can do so much bad.
Somebody needs to come replace me.
See, it's easy to get neck control. Also neck control, that's another lock. Punching comes right here. It's hard for him to get out of this. And if I turn his neck this way toward his shoulder, that'll take him straight down. So how fast that you can get to neck control, you can get this lock off of neck control. Because you've seen Ip Man do this punch. You've seen that. That can be turned into this, and a person can be walked off because I'm pushing the neck and then I'm pushing his back up to make him get up on his toes, which is a very painful situation. But that's why when all your techniques are seamless, you can get into just about any lock. Showing you a couple of chin knot locks. Want to learn how to learn Wing Chun? Check out this video. Check out this playlist on joint locks. And we're going to catch you on the next one because we got plenty of chin lock to get to.